Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to try some wide angle poses. Try to open your leg in seated position as much as you like. Be mindful, relax. Now interlace finger together and start rotate from right to left, right to left, and go back as much as you can. And continue for 8 times. Inhale front, exhale, go back. Inhale front, exhale, go back for 8 times. Now do it the opposite way, left to right, left to right. Inhale front, exhale back, and do it a little bit fast. Okay, now slowly come in front, hands front, from your waist go down. Slowly come back. Right hand hold on to your big toes, big right toe. Bring left hand up, biceps to ears, and go down to your right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Interlace your fingers together, biceps to ears, and straight your hands. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now continue. Left hand hold on to left toes and continue. Come up and rest. Now we are doing the opposite. Left hand, left toes, right bicep to right ears, and go down to your left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Interlace your finger, pull up your hand up, and head turn a little bit. Inhale, exhale. Again, hold on to your toes, biceps to ears, and continue. Inhale, exhale, come back, relax, up, inhale, exhale completely and come down. Stay a little bit, stay. Inhale, exhale, come up. Okay, hold on to your both toes and continue. Head up, inhale up, relax, shoulder relax, continue slowly. Inhale, exhale. Okay, hold your left leg, hold on to your right toes, bring it up, turn your head back, put your left hand back, and continue. Inhale, exhale. Feel relaxed, shoulder relax, straight right knee. Now slowly put it down. We're going to do the other side as well. Fold right leg to your left thigh. Hold on to your left toes and bring it up slowly. Turn your head and hand back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly. Now put it down. We're going to continue. Legs together and go up. Hands behind your back and go up. Inhale, exhale, shoulder relax. Look at the ceiling. Come down. Okay. Slowly forward bending. You don't need to try too much. Just hold on to your toes and fold from your waist. Inhale, exhale. Come up, relax. Okay, slowly. Okay, let's continue with butterfly. Bring your feet together and bring it as much as you can close to your body. Hold on to your feet and let's start butterfly your knees. As much as you can, try bring your knees closer to floor, straight back. Now let's twist. Right knee and twist to right. Change. Left hand, left knee and twist. Come back to center. Continue. Slowly fold on front. Stay. And inhale, exhale. Relax shoulder. If you have boxes, bring in front of you and put your forehead on the box and hand straight in front of you. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hand behind your head. Inhale, exhale. Hand behind your back. Inhale, exhale. You can feel tension in your muscles, back and front. Now continue without the box. Slowly bring your legs wider and feet wider and hold on to your toes. Again, if you want, you can use your box. Bring it in front of you, forehead on your box. You can choose the length. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Straight your back and head up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Again, come back down, forehead on the box. Inhale, exhale. Relax shoulder. Okay. Now bring your legs in front, wider again, and stay strong. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Again, bring your box in front of you, forehead on box. Inhale, exhale. Feel tension in your thigh area and stay. Come back, straight back, head up. Inhale. Now slowly bring legs together. Straight leg, relax, 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 fold your legs and sit straight. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Straight your leg. Hands beside your body. Slowly relax your shoulder. Hands on the ground. And hold on to your right leg. Right foot on your left thigh. And continue with the knee exercise. Up and down. Up and down. And try to bring it on the ground. Slowly. Inhale, exhale. Now straight your leg. Do the exercise on your other leg as well. Up, down, knee up, left knee up, left knee down. Bring it down, straight back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Straight both leg. Okay, bring right leg up and hold on to it. And try to rock it right and right, right and right, right and right with the help of left hand. Open your leg and hold on to your right toe, big toe, and hold and straight. Back straight. Bring it down. Put it again on your left thigh. Bring your waist from base to your left leg. Inhale, hand up, top of your head. Exhale, go down as much as you can and hold on to your left feet. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. It's very good exercise. Inhale, up again. Open hand, put it down. Now we're going to do the twist. Left onto your left, hold onto your left toes, straight back and go down. Right hand on top of your head, interlace finger again and pull and stay twisted. Come up, perfect. Straight leg again, now doing with the left leg. Hold on to your left leg and then rocket right and left, right and left. Open your hip joint. Now hold on to your left toe and straight leg. Straight back, open a little bit. Now we're going to fold it to your right thigh, waist, turn to your right leg, up, hand up, inhale, exhale, going down, and hold on to your right leg and stay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly come up, one hand, and we're going to do twist. Right hand, right toes, and left hand top of your head and twist. Inhale, exhale, interlace finger